Entropy is an expression of the universe and is perpetually combated by all living beings. Humanity expresses a distinct technique combating entropy through work and technology, but also expresses unique behavior. This behavior manifests fundamentally as an energetic excess and is strikingly apparent through religious impulse. Art springs from the same energetic excess as religion, in that art and religion is unnecessary for pragmatic survival. The drive for humans to incessantly innovate new technologies also appear as an energetic excess, but is different in that it is necessary for survival. A conflict occurs that once technology augments our mode of existence, it creates new entropic forces. The ergonomics of man-machine interface dictates how much the technology combats entropy. If the technology is too awkward to use or too entropic, it fails in becoming useful. The purpose for the installation is to embody the conflict of entropy, in which the body must be engaged, and to seek out and find resolution. Yet the resolution cinematically expresses perpetual entropy, a rhythmic celebration, portraying the sacrifice of technocratic excess. Traditionally, sacrificial rituals are only executed for religious purposes. It is an experiential act of consummation, of sublimating the inherent entropic force of life. We witness this sublimation going beyond the purpose of utility as an acknowledgement of universal decay, the world of the sacred, of entropy that encompasses all life.